Sorry if it's a lot of noise. Okay. Wow, this mount is too short. Session 5 is good. Is it? Okay, we have about 8 minutes of recording. 2.7K super view. I only have one battery. I'm gonna mount it. Okay, read the ND filter first, then the session 5. Okay, now it's snug. Let's test it for some time. Propeller's tight. Okay, just unplug. And goggles. Make sure it's 4S. Because I have the V1. Oh my goodness, I look like an idiot. That's fine. Okay, let's roll. Can you see how I look like? An idiot. Yeah. Can you see? Good. My remote on? Yes. All right. Time for testing. Synchronize. I think the wind picked up. Okay, goggle test. Let's go. One more test. Okay. Let me turn you down for the stick cam. It's not that straight. Okay, I'm gonna stay here so I have a bit of a green screen. The floor is green, so it works. Okay. Here's my freestyle quad. All the best. I'm gonna hover a bit. Oops. Okay. Okay. This jump front prop is pretty responsive. I don't know if it's just like a placebo effect or my quad is just tuned somehow. I think this quad is not tuned. I have updated it to 4.4. Just cruising because the battery is not that low, but I honestly don't feel any sag at 22.3 volts. But just a precaution, I'm gonna take things easy for now. Let's go here if we see something interesting. If I go in front of the ship, everything will be covered by the containers, and I might fail safe or lose video. So I have to keep myself clear of the way. Cruising around. What to do? I hope the session is recording something, or it's recording this flight. Otherwise, what can I do if I forgot to do it? But I'm pretty sure I did it. I see the red indicator on the battery voltage now at around 21.5. Let me push it a little bit down. I'm at the 5-minute mark now. 20.9, 20.7, 20.4. Whoa, something is definitely wrong. 20.2, 19.9. Whoa, what? 19.3, 19.1, 18.7. Oh, what's going on? 19.8, 19.9. Slowly going up. What, did one cell die or what? Now at 20.0. Okay. 20.1. Steady at 20.1. 3.34 volts per cell. It's fine. Okay, I'm gonna unplug this. Oh, now 20.0. Okay. I'm gonna unplug it. Yeah. Time to go. Time to go back to the room. Thanks for watching my video. See you on the next one. Don't forget to subscribe.